Okay, so I got this opportunity to collaborate with this guy who has about 25 years of teaching experience in coding. We were discussing the intricacies of EM coding and how in his days back in 95, 97, those version was so tough. Then the conversation flipped. We started talking about relationship. This guy is happily married with a very beautiful family. So I thought, why should I just take his coding advice when I could also take his relationship advice? Just kidding. I'm taking both very seriously. By the way, hi, I'm Dr. Manisha. I run CodeRx where I simplify coding in a way that actually sticks. And today we are doing it with a relationship twist. Before we even look at codes, there's one golden rule you need to know. The 2x3 rule. MDM has 3 dials: problem, data, risk. Your job is to rate each dial: low, moderate or high. If 2 dials agree on a level, that's your code. Easy? Now I'm not going to read you table. Instead, I will show you how to actually see it and how to remember it. Okay, so here's the table we will be using. It has everything you need for coding established patient in 2025. On one side you have got MDM. Also, to make MDM you will need these 3 things: problem, data, risk. Now sometimes you don't have MDM documented. That's where time come in. The same table also show the time range for each level. And if you need this table, just comment down below. Let's get started. 99211, it's like hello goodbye date, no physician, no QHP, basically just nurse only visit. 99212 is like the tiny crash, one small problem like rash or cold, no real data, minimal risk. It's a relationship that would have faded away. Cute but not serious. As Bob would have said, would have gone anyway. 99213 is like comfortable relationship, stable, uncomplicated, 2 small problems, 1 stable chronic, this kind of relationship that everyone wants. 99214, its complicated phase, uncontrolled chronic condition, multiple stable ones or a brand new problem that need workup. Lot of data, consult, outside notes, moderate risk, the kind of relationship with potential to worsen. 99215, the ER level trauma. This is high stake relationship, life threatening issues, severe chronic conditions. You are pulling lot of data, consults, maybe interpreting test yourself. Risk is high. We need a therapist or a hospital. In this relationship, it's more like ER love. Now here's the second rule: when if both MDM and time are documented. If only MDM is documented, code MDM. If only time is documented, code time. But both are documented, always take the higher. In relationship, always pick the partner putting in higher effort. So here's your takeaway: give time to your relationship and give your brain to coding. If not for relationship advice, for coding, auditing and just simple breakdowns, follow me, like, share and subscribe.